In this video, I'll show you how to create and schedule a social media post using SMB Booster. Posting regularly is a great way to keep your business visible online. And with the social planner, you can create your content in advance and let the system publish it automatically over the next week or month. From the left-hand menu, click Marketing, then select Social Planner. This is where all of your scheduled and published posts are managed. To create a new post, click the Create Post button. At the top of the screen, choose which social media accounts you'd like to publish to. You can post to one account or several at the same time, helping you save time by writing your content just once. Enter the text you'd like to share. This could be a recent job or project, a customer review, a special offer, or a useful tip for your customers. Try to keep your post friendly and informative rather than overly sales focused. To make your post more eye-catching, click Add Media and upload one or more images from your computer. Posts with quality images are generally more engaging than text-only posts. On the right-hand side, you'll see a preview of how your post will appear. Take a moment to check that everything looks correct before continuing. Next, choose whether you'd like to publish the post immediately or schedule it for a future date and time. Scheduling allows you to plan your content in advance so your social media stays active even when you're busy running your business. Once you're happy, click Schedule. Your post will now appear in your content calendar and will automatically be published at the date and time you've selected. You can always return to the social planner to edit, reschedule, or delete any future posts before they're published. That's all there is to it. Spending just 15 or 20 minutes each week creating a few scheduled posts can help keep your business active on social media and in front of local customers.